Hey guys, welcome to Watson's Get Active, Stay Healthy. My name is Kit Mah and I'll be sharing with you some of my favorite core exercises that I love to do. Now remember, abs training is not just about the training, but it's also about taking care of what you eat in the kitchen. So do give the exercise a try and let me know how you feel.
Get ready. 3, 2, 1, work. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, work. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, work. Rest. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, work. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, work. Well done.
Alright guys, so there you have it. 5 of my favorite abs exercises or core exercises. Now all you gotta do is remember to do 10 repetitions at least for each of these exercises. Try not to rest too long between each exercise and go for it continuously and repeat as many rounds as you can. Remember, the more you can do, the better you get. So do give this a try and let me know what you think.